Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I have Swara with me today for an episode of Hangman. So, Swara, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so we have Swara. Let's see how many turns it will take for her to guess the word today. All right, let's go. Let's just start. First letter.
A.
Okay, the A is here. Yeah, A. Then,
E.
ooh, the E. Quick, that one was quick. Okay.
Elephant.
Okay, 1 second. So E, right? You said elephant, okay? No, sorry, it is not an elephant. Who's the elephant in the room now? No, it is not an elephant. So you will have to take a guess again. The head has come. Elephant, nope. So that's why it's rather better to guess the words, letters than the word
O?
itself. O. No. Oh no! It is no. What else? Come on, think.
Y.
Why did you think of Y, Swara?
I don't know.
Just randomly, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, the Y is here.
R.
R. R it is. There. R. Go. And now I think it should be kind of easy because you thought of elephant. And actually, elephant has ELEPHANT. The
Oh.
A should have been on the 6th position,
Oh.
and actually, it's on the 7th position. You didn't calculate. Come on. What else are the words like that?
B.
B. B or V?
V,
V
V,
for
V.
victory. V
Yeah.
for victory, right?
Which is what will happen at the end of the quiz.
Yes. Let's see. We will know soon. V it is. Okay. V is there. Come on. Next. Let's see if you know. Have you guys guessed it yet? I'm sure you have. Sora is just being careful because she's already given one wrong guess.
Two
Aren't you?
guesses.
I mean, one was a letter, the other one was a word.
I for igloo.
I. What word were you thinking? No. I, me, myself. No, there's no I. Oops. Sorry, my bad. I missed out on one more Y over here.
Every day.
The Y is here. Yes, every day. I am so sorry. I'm sure you would have guessed it
I know, I
earlier.
was thinking that, but then there's
The
no
Y.
Y here.
Yeah. My bad, guys. But see, she's a smart girl. What word were you thinking when you said T? Even I was like trying to think what could it be.
I'm just randomly telling.
Random letters, huh? Because it was in the word that you were thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, every day it is. Even after a small mistake where I missed out telling her that another Y was there, she was able to get it every day, and she
I didn't
had
want to tell every day because otherwise that other leg will come and there was also no
Y. Because when I calculated the elephant, I was like, oh god, there was another Y there, and it just struck me. My bad, but then great. Swara, yes, you got it right. Every day it is. Every day a game of Hangman will make you think faster and smarter. So keep watching our videos and play Hangman every day with us. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our latest videos. Until then, we'll see you soon. Bye. She wants to say bye before me. I'm going to say bye.